Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another Snapchat video. Today I'm going to show you how to try on the latest pair of Snapchat spectacles before you buy them. Okay, so here we are in the Snapchat app. If you don't know what Snapchat spectacles are, basically they are Snapchat sunglasses with a camera on them. They allow you to take video and integrate with the Snapchat app. Let me turn the camera around here. So this is my pair of Snapchat spectacles charging right now. This is V1. There's also a V2 and a V3. So what you want to do is open up a web browser, and then you just want to type in spectacles.com, hit go. This is going to bring you to a place where you can purchase spectacles. I'm just going to give you a bunch of options. You can tap learn more on any of these. Then what you want to do is scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see try them on virtually. Then you can just tap the try it on now button. It's going to bring you right back to Snapchat. And then all you need to do is tap this button, unlock for 1 hour. It's going to give you a Snapchat lens right here. So you can use this lens, and you can also tap directly on the glasses. They have a black pair and a carbon color. This is kind of a preview of what they would look like on you. So I personally wouldn't go for these. I don't think they look that good on me. There it is. That's how you try them on. You can come here, do yourself, see what you look like, see if this is something you might want to buy or test out. Another note, if you do want to buy these, just close this out, swipe up from the bottom. It's going to take you to like your stories and all of that. And then you just want to tap on the spectacles icon on the top right, the second one over. This is going to bring you to the Snapchat spectacles screen with all of your spectacles information and how to pair a new device if you haven't yet. Then you just want to go to shop on the bottom. They have all the available options here. Snapchat Spectacles 2 and 3 with a bunch of different styles. So you can buy them right from here if this is something you're into. There you have it, how to try on Snapchat Spectacles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the